hear the alarm? My husband could sleep through a smoke alarm. It's his alarm. It's been going off for a very long time, and I'm not gonna stop it. So I got some mail. Yes, Maniology expanded their ambassador tiers, and I don't know how many sales I've made, quite frankly, but I do want to say thank you to everybody, because I take that money and I reinvest it in my channel. I've done that, well, not just with like people using my discount code, but just watching my videos, actually, because that was always my intention. I always wanted to improve on my video quality. Thank you so much. You guys are so kind to me. I remember the first time somebody used my code and I like cried. And I told my husband how nice people were, and I can't believe they used my code. And he's like, why wouldn't they be? Like, I don't know. Like, I just couldn't believe that somebody used my discount code. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for everything. Because if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be here. They sent this pack. I think this is like the platinum level. Yes, the platinum tier. It came like this. I have checked it out. I'm not gonna lie. I'm excited. Comes with 2 polishes. It says set 63. I don't know what that set is, but oh, names are on top. So it came with a calcium-rich milk base coat and a calcium-rich blushing base coat. So obviously this is a blushing one. I don't know. I haven't tried those. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. You guys know I like my nail teaks. I was going to say nailology. Wow. I got 2 plates. This one is like, okay, what is the name? NPM 357. So it reminds me of like the manicures of like the 90s when they would like slap on a swirl. Maybe that's 2000s. I don't know. With the French manicures, the acrylics, you know what I'm talking about? That's what this reminds me of. I'll have to look up some looks, because that's not really my style. The next one is M323. All right, that one's kind of cute. I feel like we've seen these things from Maniology before, but it's still cute nonetheless. And then I got, this is probably a stamping folder. Yeah, it's a stamping folder. I have a few of these. I have a pink one, I think a black one, and now I guess I have a purple one. I think it was like 25 plates. Oh, that wouldn't even make sense. Why would I say that? Let's see. No, what am I talking about? 16 plates, front and back. If you put 2 in each of these slots, it would be 16 plates. So that's cute. Kind of giving me 90s vibes because of flowers. And then I should get my real camera. Do I switch over? With a note from Natalie. Oh, it's cute. If you didn't know, Natalie from Noodles has a thing for sloths. Spilling her tea. I'm exposing her right now. Oh my gosh. All right. I assume this is the spring collection. 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. There might be polish pickup polishes in here. All right, what is this? I feel like I should get a better camera. I got this collection, or I don't even know what it is. I assume it's a spring collection. That it can't be anything else. So this first one is One Trick Peony. Oh, this is cute. That is super cute. So this is One Trick Peony. Ooh, this is super pretty. Do you see that shimmer in there? You see it? You see it? It's like green right here and then like red. That's pretty. Oh, this is interesting. It's like an ethereal looking polish. Do you see that? Oh my gosh. That's pretty. Wow. I'm really excited to see this on the nails. Ooh. I'm curious. Curious how this is gonna look. All right, we have Pedal to the Metal. Okay, so this is acrylic. It's a super cute, like a light blue acrylic with some periwinkle glitters, and I mean they're not dark blue glitters, but darker than the base. Oh, this is cute. So it's a light purple with looks like pink glitter. Oh my gosh. This whole color palette makes me so excited. This one is called So Fresh and So Green. It's like a minty green base with flakies. Look at those flakies. So pretty. Ooh. It's very glam looking. Like these are extra chunky. These glitter toppers are extra chunky this season. And I'm digging it. Oh, no, it's not a polish pickup. It's an anniversary polish that's in here. Do I expose it? It's pretty. At least from the bubble wrap. Oh, another topper. I think I saw this in the Facebook group. If you're not a part of the Noodles Facebook group, you should be. I think Natalie was wearing this one. It's called Everything is a Bouquet. So it's just a lot of pastel glitter. Thanks a melon. Oh, look at that coral. It's got a gold shift in there. Oh my gosh. That is pretty. All right, should I spoil you guys for the 10-year anniversary? I'm gonna do it. Skip this if you aren't ready, if you're not prepared. I don't know when this is coming out because Natalie hasn't sent the information yet. It's called 10 Years. And it's so cute. Look at those chunkier purple flakies in there. Good morning! Today I am so excited. Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? I am getting my lens. My lens is coming 3 days early and I'm gonna unbox it in this video. I'm super pumped. I'm super pumped. It's a 35mm 1.8 lens for the RF. It's an RF mount. Anyways, I'm obsessed with these Burt's Bees lip balms. Maybe I should give some away. Oh my gosh, you know what? I actually feel like going to TJ Maxx right now. Actually, I kind of want to go get some props for a photo for the Noodles nail polish 10-year anniversary polish. This is it. That's my Cindy hand. This is the other one. The other hand, that is not the other polish. So I want to go and get some props, like, I don't know, like a candle, something for the Noodles 10-year anniversary for a photo. I did this maybe not last year. Oh my gosh, no. There's a bunch of photos. Jeez Louise. Somebody help me. I look like I'm driving like a maniac. Somebody needs to take my license. I'm just kidding. I hope that they have something like, I don't know, a little like cake topper that says like 10 on it or something. Maybe we can find that. I think it would be so much fun and I could take you guys kind of behind the scenes. We'll see. We'll see. Last night I was able to finish up my swatches for actually everything. I have the Essie done. I have the Sally Hansen Peeps done. The Noodles done, including the anniversary polish, which obviously you can tell because, well, maybe you can't, because actually there's many times when I wear nail polish and I don't even take a photo. Today's gonna be a day. I feel very good today because I got a lot of swatching done. So basically I'm ready. I'm set to just sit down and do some face-to-face videos, but obviously, I kind of want to try out my 35 1.8. That 1.8, you guys, actually 1.4, 1.2. I've never used a 1.4 or 1.2, but I've seen the photos and those things are beautiful. Where am I going? Oh yeah, I'm going to the craft store. Let's crack open some windows. I'm gonna show you this person's car. They have stickers all over it. You know, I was the kid who didn't want to use their stickers like at all, so I'd save them, and guess what? As an adult, I don't even have them. How fun is that? It's on both sides. I like these taggy things. Whenever I see dream catchers, it reminds me of my grandpa. He's Native American, and I don't know, it just brings me so much joy. That's all I'm saying. They're huge. Found some vinyl that I'm gonna use for backdrops, but I can't find the color that I want for Noodles because I feel like they like a more, like, I don't know if this is the kind of purple. I think that's too, maybe closer to this. I didn't find everything I was looking for, unfortunately. I don't know. I couldn't find the cake topper. I did find backdrops that I think would work. We'll see what happens. I might have to Photoshop it. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see what I can find online. But I think I might have to Photoshop it because I don't think I'm gonna have enough time. Oh my gosh, this looks so bright outside. No! That's a bummer. You know what, though? Yeah, this looks more purple inside. This just needs to be like more purple, and then I think it would be perfect. So I picked this up. It's just for Cricut machines, I guess. I got some tacky, I don't know, putty, and then I picked this up. I don't know if I'm gonna like it. We'll see. Maybe, I don't know. See, I'm glad I wore this nail polish because then I can compare it. I feel like this would look good. I'm showing you my really ugly hand. But I feel like this would look good. In the store, it actually matched the glitter. Dang it! We're just gonna leave it. I'm gonna check to see if my order has arrived yet. Waiting on my doorstep. I kind of want to go to TJ Maxx to see if they have a cake topper, but should I go to Michael's? Let's go to Michael's real quick. What if I got a happy anniversary one? Is that ridiculous? Happy birthday. Best day ever. Oh my gosh, what the heck? I have regular candles. Darn it, I bought 2 of these. Oh, they don't even have a 1. Never mind. Dang, this box is huge. Look at it. All right, you ready? It came in this huge box. Why it came in such a big box? Probably for protection. Love it, Canon. So I picked this up because there was a sale and it was a refurbished one. So brand spanking new without a sale. This lens would cost $500. I got it for $320. Oopsies, are you guys okay? I think so. Have I shown you this yet? I don't think so. So I'm going to try to record my video today on what I'm using, but this is my old 35 millimeter. So this, just this part, like here, from this to this is my 35 millimeter. This is the adapter because I have a mirrorless and it has a different mount. I need this so that this will work with this. Over explaining, I'm probably going to do the same thing in my video today because I did do it the other million times I recorded it. Wow. Love the packaging. Seriously, love the packaging. This better not be a Power Shot Vixia. All right, even more bubble wrap. All right. Here is the new baby. This looks brand new. Guys, this looks brand new. I wonder if my, no, it doesn't fit, hood. No, the hood on my old 35 does not fit on this one. I'm excited. You guys, this is amazing. The focus is fast. Look at that. The papers. Wow. You guys, I feel like I'm not going to get any recording done today because I'm so excited about this. You'll see more in my video, but this is just for now. So hold on. So this is kind of what I do. I have a pressure mount. Anyway, you can't really see, but so this is how I swatch. This is why I like these articulating screens. I'm gonna have to adjust my settings and whatnot, but you know what? This is good. I shoot in the raw, so like the colors are not that vibrant, but look at this. Do you see? That looks so good. Wow, that's a lot more shiny than I thought it was gonna be. Look how reflective that is. All right, let's test it. Maybe I just wasted my money, but I think it might be too reflective. Look at that reflection. This is gonna kill me. No, that looks pretty darn good, but the reflection is not what I want. I don't want a reflection. I literally thought it was a plastic wrap. Maybe I need to go back. Should I just go online and place an order for a new backdrop? I might do that. Let's look at what they have. But it wouldn't get here today or tomorrow. That's the thing. I need to chill. I need to just chill. Like, I don't need to do all of these things. I don't need to. Oh my gosh, these are so stinking cute. Look at this one. Holy cow. I haven't even eaten breakfast today, you guys. That's how ridiculously excited I am about this lens. Yeah, that's not what I need. Joke's on me. Okay, you guys. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do with myself? I have to do it. I have to go to Joann's. Okay, I just looked online. I should have done this a long time ago. I'm very reckless. This is how my brain is, and this is why I never get anything completed. But my stomach's very hungry. I should probably eat. I'll probably just grab a banana, but they have the vinyls, matte vinyls on sale. Why did I not look for matte? Why did I not double check to make sure that it was a matte vinyl? I don't know. Do you like the drawing? That's super cute, isn't it? We're gonna do this. We're gonna do it. I had to come back because my lens was just hanging on my doorstep. That would have been a nightmare if somebody took off with it. I would have cried. I would have cried. Anyway, so if anybody's looking for any recommendations, 35 millimeter is a way to go. Always, always, always. I wanted one that was native to my new camera, so I didn't have to worry about the adapter. I'm gonna grab a banana. I'm actually really hungry. All right, let's find it. Do I have a sampler? Can I get the sampler? Or the purple sampler? You guys, a lot of time has passed. I was on the phone with the caseworker for like 2 hours, or maybe like an hour and a half. Okay, this is the other one that I picked up at Hoblab. The Hoblab, and then I picked up this. Did I already share this with you? I'm sorry. I had to like stop what I was doing because the caseworker called. So this is a sample pack. I figured this is my best bet for now. It's matte, so we're gonna pull out the purple. If I don't like the purple, I have options for other colors. It doesn't look good on this camera, because this camera is not a good camera. It's good enough. It works for my purposes. What do you guys think? It looks all right. I'm gonna find my little cake stand. This is my setup. I'm gonna pop, where did my, there we go. We're gonna pop it up there. We're gonna remove as much dust as possible. I love this little stand. It's kind of my fave. Oh no! I'm regretting all of my decisions right now. But you know what? We're gonna make this work. Work, 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 work. I think I'm just gonna buy the backdrop so I can be satisfied. I'm not gonna be satisfied right now. I mean, it looks pretty good actually. I think it would work just fine for like still shots of like nail swatches, but I feel like I just need that length going up. So I think I'm just going to pull the plug. But you guys, my photos look a bomb. This might work. Do you think this is gonna work? I think this is gonna work. How cute! I just wish it was taller, but actually they didn't have any paper longer than this. And I don't like the grid in the back, so I might put some like double-sided tape or something. But how cute is this? This is actually on a whim. I probably should have sat down and really thought about what I wanted to do. Like, excuse my camera, what I wanted to do for this photo. But sometimes things just come to me. And I just gotta roll with the punches, I guess. So I'm gonna clean up my desk a little bit because it looks really messy. And then I'm just gonna record my what I use video. I am gonna try this lens. But you guys know that I just got it. But you guys, seriously, it's so amazing. Look, I've been using it for my shoots. It's so cute. I'm going to record my gear video, and hopefully I can get that posted on Sunday. That's my goal, is for it to go up on Sunday. However, there are some videos that I do, other videos I want to record. So maybe you guys will get something else, but welcome to the inside of my brain. I appreciate you guys watching this. If you have any specific questions, go ahead and ask. I love sharing this. I'm actually super into photography. Anyway, all right. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!